Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Tease Time. Today's a big day. Today is moving day. I'm out to stores, dude. I'm out. I'm out of here. But here's the unit right now. All that stuff will be in the van. I'm moving. I'm downsizing. I don't have like this big of a storage unit, and I'm actually relocating. Yeah, that's to come. But for right now, I just want to give you guys an update, let you know what's up, what's going on. I'm out of here. I'm done. It's time for the next chapter in this book. All right, we're all packed up, ready to go. Empty. A lot of long nights, a lot of long days, some blood, some sweat, some tears, a lot of bull. Thankful for the storage unit. It served its purpose, but it's time to move on. I'll see you guys on the road, and we'll get into me full time in this thing. So yeah. All right, we're out here. I made it to a nice and easier pace of traffic. We're out of New York. I'm in Jersey right now, and it's a pretty clear sailing right now. But before, I just needed to concentrate, actually need to focus on driving because like it was a little crazy back there. But yeah, we're out here, we're out in storage. I'm moving down south. The snow is coming to New York, so I'm going away from the snow. So yeah, so I'm out. But I've been full time in the van for actually it's been like a month and some change. And surprisingly, it was going pretty well. It is going pretty well. You just had to get like a routine, you know, like I was still working, so like I'll go to work, get done with work, I go to the gym, I get the shower, so go to the gym, work out, get the shower in, you know, food. I was eating a lot of rotisserie chicken. That and just vegetables like at the whoa. I got COVID. Knock on wood. But like eat a lot of rotisserie. Going to the grocery store, they have like the hot section, and they have like vegetables and stuff like that. That's what I was getting. So I had my mini fridge going, and then to heat it up, I have my toaster oven. So like the only thing like I was missing is just like the water in the van. So the gym, that's where that comes in. You know, it's definitely been cold some nights, but with the space heater and the diesel heater going, like I'm warm. You know, so like I'm not freezing, you know, like I have lights and stuff like that. So like, actually it's pretty nice. Especially like when you think about like all the bills and stuff like you would be paying. Like I still get reminders on my phone, so like when I had like the full run of bills about like, oh, you have a payment due, and I'm not this time. So like that's definitely good. Especially like if you're trying to get somewhere, you have a goal you're trying to get to. You know, like of course, like distant time is still taking time because I'm still building it. So yeah, but like it takes time to build this, but like trying to get to your goal, you know, you want to try to like save as much as possible. Less is actually more. You know, like my stress level's definitely been dropping. Like the more I've been getting rid of stuff, like my stress level's been pretty chill. Like I really, you know, you think about like expenses and like your main thing you gotta eat. You know, especially since we're out of storage. You know, so like what I was paying for storage will cover my food expense for the month. So like that's another reason why I wanted to get out of storage. Like I had it just because like when I did the demo, I had a bunch of like wood and stuff. Like I just needed space. So like now I'm at the point where I don't need all that space, and snow is coming, winter's here. You know, so like I'm out. Like I don't want to deal with the snow. The van has come from a place where there wasn't any snow. It's rust free. So I'm gonna keep it that way by getting it out before they start spraying the salt and all that craziness. But yeah, just an update. You know, like I've been in the van, it's going good. You know, I'm gonna keep building it, so it's gonna get better as I keep building it because like now it's not even finished, and I'm still like I'm good with it right now. So imagine like if I actually have like my cabinets and shower, or like my propane for cooking, all that stuff set up, it's gonna be even better. You know, so I'm gonna keep on going, keep on sticking to it for right now, just so I get stuff going, get things in motion, save up some money and stuff like that. And I'm gonna keep building it, so like look out for updates. You know, I've been trying to do like a video every Wednesday. I've been good with that. Touch it on a year. I've been able to have like every Wednesday having a video of the progress of the van. So I'm gonna try to keep doing that. You know, so like even when you're doing like the van, like living in it, like it's not easy, but like it's forcing you to do good, like the gym, like the shower. Like I like to take a shower, so like it forces me to go to the gym on days I normally probably be like, nah, I'm not trying to go to the gym. But like you want to take a shower, go to the gym. So in hand in hand, you know, like it's making you do better. You know, like it's teaching you not to have to consume so much. It actually just, you know, healthier, better options, eating and stuff like that. Also, it's got its perks. So I haven't experienced like anybody knocking on the door yet. Like I was like moving my van, you know, I wouldn't be posted up for like multiple days in the same spot. Like I had like a couple spots like I would go to, you know, to mix it up a little bit. But yeah, like it's definitely good. And I'm gonna keep on keeping on with the process. But I just want to do a quick little update. I'm at New York, relocated. I'm gonna try to keep up the videos even though I'm relocated. So I got things that I have to like set up. Like I needed another storage, but like I don't need anything as big as it was before. Probably like a 5x5 or 5x10, just so like I have space to put like my automotive stuff. You know, so like that's not the way I'm not having to climb over it and put my motorcycle and stuff in it. So I can keep on building, and then like as I build, the storage gets smaller and smaller because like a lot of the stuff is just like pantry, kitchen stuff, and clothes. You know, like most of my tools have a space, but there's like some tools that like I can't fit in the van, and I don't want to fit in the van. So like that's gonna be in storage, or until like I end up getting like a car hauler. The car hauler would be like car hauler slash like storage for like the bigger tools. But yeah, just want to say what's up, give you an update, let you know what's going on, let you know I'm out of storage, I'm full time in the van, it's going well. I don't really have any like complaints, you know, like, oh, I gotta work out to get a shower. Like, you don't actually have to work out, you can just go and take a shower. But since I'm there, might as well make the best of it. So until the next video, remember, the easy way isn't always the best way. The hard way can probably yield better results. So challenge yourself. Peace. DJ.